One will requested me or asked me that what is the like of being an OFW. All right, so being an OFW overseas. Hi everyone, hi folks. So this is me again, Filipina MG Vlog. So for today's video, I want to share with you guys because someone will requested me or asked me that what is the like of being an OFW. Alright, so being an OFW, overseas Filipino worker, can be challenges and rewarding. Many OFW live their families and their home countries, seek to the better job opportunity and provide their financial support their loved ones while working in abroad. They are often face homesick, culture different. We need to adapt a new environment. However, they are also gain a valuable work experience, earn higher wage compared to what they want to earn in the Philippines, and have opportunities to send remittance back home to support their families, contribute to the Philippine economy. So one thing, guys, that I will share this kind of situation. Yes, a lot of OFW will go here so that they can provide their needs to her family, and especially we are adopt of especially as a new culture or something like the language. So yes, we need to adapt that one. Okay, this opportunity overall of being an OFW involves a sacrifice, hard work, but it can also lead to the personal growth and financial stability for the worker and her family. You guys, as being you must bring sacrifice, hard work, so it can also lead to the personal growth and financial stability. Number one. So this is number one, the separation from the family. One of the biggest challenges of being an OFW, physical separation from loved ones. OFW then leave their family behind, including the spouse. Like parents, siblings, they can lead the feeling of homesick and emotional distress. So separation, this is number one example, guys. If you are an OFW, you must separate your family and your loved ones, and especially your wife, your siblings. It may lead to the feeling like a homesick and emotional distress. Number two, the financial remittance. Many OFW work abroad to provide the financial support to their family in the Philippines. They spend the money back home regularly, which is the play to significant role in the Philippines economy, or the remittance to use and the cover various expenses, including the education and healthcare, so house and daily living costs. So financial remittance, guys. Financial remittance is a many OFW working abroad to financial support in her families. So they send the money back home, so regular, which play to significant. Cultural adjustment. Moving to the foreigner country means that adapting the new culture and language and the way in life. OFW may face challenges understanding local custom, tradition, and social norms. They need to navigate their culture different, often learn and integrate into the country and the society while preserving their Filipino identity. Social, emotional challenges. OFW often experience a feeling loneliness, isolation, homesick due to the being away from the families to support our network. So this is normal, guys, that you feel like emotional and often experience of being loneliness away from her family to support a network. So they are also encounter discrimination, projection, their host countries adjusting to different lifestyle, building, and the social connection can be emotionally challenging. Next, personal growth. A personal growth of opportunity despite of their difficulties being an OFW can provide opportunity, personal growth, skill development, career advance. Many OFW acquired new skills and gain valuable work experience that can enhance their professional prospect. Additional exposure, different culture, and international experience can be broaden the horizon and perspectives. Sacrifice and resilience on OFW make a significant sacrifice to provide their family to enjoy being away from their loved ones. Work hard, overcome challenges. Many OFW required to skill, gain valuable work experience. They can enhance professional prospect, additional exposure, different culture, international experience with a broadened and horizon and perspective. Can sacrifices provide their family they enjoy being away from their loved ones. Work hard, overcome challenges face, and resilience challenges their face. Determination. OFW are admirable. They strive, create better future themselves of their families. Okay, that's for today. That's for today's topic, guys. Then note, it is the very important note, and OFW experience can be very widely depending on individual circumstance, including the country, destination, job sector, employee, and personal support system. So I hope, guys, that's for today's video, guys, and I hope that everyone will asking me about that question, that I hope I will gonna answer for that little idea to will gonna share to you. So I hope, guys, and this is for today's video. So this is me again, Filipina MG Vlog. Bye for now. Filipina MG Vlog, working as domestic helper here in Kuwait. Bye for now.